Once again, welcome you all my channel Languages Hub. My name is Gulshan Rawal, and today we'll take another languages in our hub, that is German. In German languages, there are 30 alphabets in this language, which 26 letters are the same as the English, but pronunciation is differ as of English. And four more letters. Let me see. Apart from that, let's see one by one what they are. 26 letters and plus four letters of special letters of German language, German alphabets. Let's see one by one. With pronunciation. Pronunciation is very necessary in this. So watch carefully and listen carefully what I tell. So first alphabet is A. It's not A, it's A. 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 Apple. Apple is apple in German. Apple. Second one is B. It's not B, it's B. It's say. They. A. Elephant. Elephant in German it's elephant. Fair. Fish. It's fish. G is gay. Gay. Not G, it's gay in German. Like giraffe. Giraffe. But in German we call it giraffe because there is no sound equivalent to R in German. So it is giraffe, not giraffe in German. H is horse. Ha. I is E. E. And J is yacht. 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 K is ka. Kino. Kino is a cinema in German. L. La. Live. Live is love. M. Ma. Man. Man is man. Man. Apart from this, N. Na. Notch. Notch is night in German. O. Orange. In English it is orange, but in German we call it OH. OH. Because I am already told that there is no sound equivalent to R. So it's OH in German. Pay. Pay is pay. It's a party like Q is Q. Q is squeech. Q is in German R. There is no letter. There is no sound of equivalent to R. So like Roth. 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 It's red. Means that S is S. Essay. Son. Son is sun. T. Te. T is te. T. U. U is U. U. U is Uhr. Uhr. Uhr is clock. V is much like than English. For. Fossil. Fossil is a bird in German. And W is V. V is F and W is V in English. Some way same like English. It's Wasser. Wasser in German is water. Apart from this, X is X, xylophone, and Y is epsilon. Epsilon. Why in German there is no many words in German which start with letters Y. So these few words are in German like yoga. And but last but not least, Z is zit. It's zoo. So repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, 4, V, X, and epsilon. And say zoo. Zoo is forest. No word equivalent to R and not so many words in German for Y letters. And apart from these four more letters of the German alphabets, there is special letters called Umlaut. Umlaut. The special letters. What they are? A, two dots above. It sounds like a, like age. And Nascit, next. Second one is O, two dots above the letter. Sounds like oe, like flirt, like girl, girl. And third one is U, two dots above. It sounds like ue, like tour. Tour in German is door. And last but not least, the last letter is accepts. It's a sharpest form of S. It's a sharpened S. Like double S. In the behalf of double S, we write this letter. SS. It's a sharpened S. So this is for now. We have completed 30 letters of the German alphabets. In the next video, we will see the soft vowels and hard vowels of the language German. So thank you very much for watching this video. That's it for now. Bye bye.